Hello modelers! In this video you can briefly see how our great Czech modeler Radek Gregovský does modulation of an aircraft. Before spraying the modulation, you need to unify with a great shade locally all cemented areas, etchings, etc., preferably with a similar shade of plastic as the kit. Then I use white surf to create the modulation of the grey plastic. And then I spray 4 filters of camouflage paint, Gunze H in this case, in a 4:1 ratio in favor of thinner, with the addition of 1 part of gloss varnish as a filler. So the ratio will be a total of 4 parts thinner, 1 part of paint and 1 part of gloss varnish. This is followed by a light repaint with gloss varnish to unify the surface before applying the decals. After applying the decals, I spray the model with a semi-matte or matte varnish to start the patina. I apply a wash, and after wiping off the wash, I continue with the patina with oil paints. The advantage of this procedure is reducing the spray layers on the model and not changing the camouflage shades by the technique of lightening the centers with another spray of paint. Here you can see one more time how I have sprayed modulation on the wings of biplanes. More details regarding this topic can be found on the YouTube channel Plastic Modeling in the live broadcast of July the 3rd, 2023.